On August 6th, we began our storm chase in central South Dakota with an enhanced risk for damaging winds issued by the SPC and a severe thunderstorm watch. However, the latest high-res models indicated that storm mode may stay supercellular much longer than anticipated, so we decided to head out and happened to catch an isolated supercell near Blunt, South Dakota, which is when we initiated our storm chase and began our video. Alright, sounds good. Just position it towards you. Still there. Funnel on the left? Yeah, funnel on the left. There's a funnel. Definitely. Look. It's coming down. There's... pretty strong there, yeah. What? It seems like a pretty good road. Currently, we are right next to strong circulation in the supercell near Canning, South Dakota. Did have a possible brief tornado at a funnel cloud, some dust underneath it. Hard to tell. We're trying to drop south so we can get back out in front of the storm, but yeah, there's the wall cloud right there. There's the wall cloud trying to get stronger. Back behind us, strong rising motion on it. Wall cloud's actually to our north. My ears are popping all of a sudden. Right. Yeah. Yeah, it's back behind us. That's rotating, strong rotation. Getting some inflow here, I think. Yeah, it's rotating strong behind us. Scenery out here is incredible. And then we got this amazing supercell bearing down on us. Surreal. Sketch. Alright, got 20-mile-an-hour corner. Let's slide off the road, so. No, not here. some good golf balls in there. Oh, there's a big one. That might have been a 3-incher. Oh, big hailstones.
Probably good report.
Oh, those are big. Woo. Dang it.
I broke something.
Did that break? Oh, these are baseballs. Bigger.
Might want to put on some glasses.
I have glasses on.
Let me get,
Oh, there was a softball.
yeah.
There's one right here, maybe. Oh, I went past it. Did you get it? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There you go. This isn't even the biggest stones that are falling. There's some that are a lot bigger than this one. Baseball to potentially softball size hail falling. That's what we just drove under. Dead. Look off to the right. That's what we drove through. It's so nice looking. Alright, so we are heading south, just south of Stephen, South Dakota, trying to catch back up to our Supercell here. As you can see, it's still a beautiful mothership, Supercell. Here we are in relation to this storm on radar. Trying to get south here so we can get back out in front of it. It's moving at about 45 miles an hour, which is pretty quick. And the road network is not in our favor. The Missouri River kind of messed us up, so we had to do this zigzag in order to get back on a south road. But we're just trying to catch back up to it so we can get some more footage of it. That is the area of rotation.
Yeah, at the moment it's still walk on the start. And it might have been that just now it's just kind of busting apart. It's hard to tell though.
Sunset over here soon. Wait, maybe we can get south and get As night began to fall, we decided it was time to start heading back home, as storms typically begin to weaken during the nighttime and go more linear. However, contrary to what we thought was going to happen, our supercell began to rapidly intensify into a monster supercell, dropping huge hail and a few brief tornadoes, including one that hit the town of Burke, South Dakota, causing EF1 damage across the town and injuring at least 2 people.
Oh, for sure. Don't run over the seat now or anything.
Nails and stuff. You have to zoom in, and I don't know. Dinosaurs on the ground. Probably took the roof off over the pumps.
Yeah, over there.
Damage
Over there.
down.
Major damage.
Okay, this is crazy. Over there.